So I did explain for you everything, okay? But now you ask how you can make a booking with me. So first, step number one, go to my Facebook page, Hair by Giang. Giang is Giang, okay? And then the step number two, send me a picture of your current hair and the picture hair color you would like to achieve. So that's step two. Step three, that follow the question that you can check below that have a lot of questions I ask you. You copy and paste that and then fill the blank for me. So I will know your hair history. I will know roughly how long it takes. I will know roughly how much it costs, but you will know roughly of that. And then I will get back to you in 48 hours. I actually very busy, so that's why I can go get to you as quick as I can, okay? So that's why, okay, so now you know clearly that how I can help you, and if you have further any question, just send me a message on Hair by Giang, so I can more than happy to help you with, okay? So lastly, I just want to say to you that if you really want to make your hair nice, give you confidence, just don't worry about, I am here to help you, even though if I cannot help you, if you need any advice, any question, I'm more than happy, because I'm doing this because I'm so passionate about hair and I really want to help you with. All right, so I hope everyone and you have a good day and have a good life, and always have a good hair, okay? Have a good hair, have a good life.